Over the course of thousands of years, evolution changed nature, adapted conditions to its environment, and changed animals and humans into what they are today. Now, another evolution is to be expected, an industrial evolution. Because the much talked about and predicted upcoming industrial revolution will be an evolution of goods and services. It will make the impossible possible. It will change products, locations, and materials into independently operating objects by implanting a DNA chip. Get ready for it. The network will be the indication of the production of the future. All elements will be connected and able to communicate with each other. The network as an example of perfect organization. Every move and commotion will be immediately transferred as information. In terms of production, this means, in the future, once an order is placed, all locations of production will be automatically informed. The various machines and production phases will communicate with each other and coordinate who will do what at what point of time. Future products will carry all information with them and independently tell machines which individual operation is necessary. This means that we're dealing with intelligent resources and products. Production will not only benefit from internal communication, but also, as it is called in nature, from swarm intelligence. Connected people operate together and are therefore more productive, stronger, and faster than people acting alone. To adapt, to react to changing situations. Not only in nature is it necessary to be flexible to survive, the market is also subject to constant change. But how to respond to this change with the help of new production methods in the future? Through originality? Through following the trend of individualization or meeting customer demand for custom-made products? Through the integration of clients in the development process? Through flexible design? Through product development that can quickly adapt to the current market situations? This poses high challenges to industrial production, especially to product development. One solution is direct production. The design is delivered and then quickly translated by a 3D printer, which is connected to the development and production location. The individualized product seamlessly enters the industrial development process of the end product. Hereby, customer requests can be met, market changes can be responded to, and a wide supply spectrum can be generated for the same product. There are no further costs for extra storage room or workforce, and of course, there is the joy of the product's variety. In the future, logistics will be facing major challenges. In order to get future production working, it will be even more important for deliveries to work on short notice, since market changes and unexpected complications always need to be taken into account. The future calls for an even faster response, but in order to reach that, we need a new way of thinking in transportation. Besides the prevention of transportation through local production, there will also be new forms of logistics. Interconnected drones will guide themselves. They will be guided and programmed by the intelligent product, which stores information and therefore knows where it needs to go. The future information network between customer, supplier, and intelligent product will ensure flexible logistics that can quickly cater to any demand. In the future, machines will coordinate themselves and will therefore process orders in a more focused and collective way. That means logistics will only be needed when there is a demand, communicated and planned within the network. In the future, one of the main tasks for companies and employees will be continuous training. New technological possibilities require a different awareness and new flexibility from all employees. This includes work times, the tasks of respective colleagues, and variable organization of working time enabled by the companies. Long-term, the working environment will change. This means that physically hard work, as well as tasks that are dangerous to health or technically simple, will diminish. This can be a challenge and also an opportunity. People will then have the tasks of creativity and design, the guidance and control of entire processes, as well as the control of quality and responsibility for correct actions in exceptional situations. Employees are the interface between constantly flowing information. They are the controlling authority. The relationship between humans and machines will be raised to a new, more natural development level. Employees will be deployed in a more focused and therefore efficient way. In this case, we can only learn from the best in the field. Every employee will therefore have particular, customized tasks. Get ready for the Revolution 4.0. Because the future is closer than you think.